Okay, good day. Welcome to IELTS interviews. As a part of interview procedure, we need to do the recording of this interview. Are you comfortable with it?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have a look at your identity card? Thank you. Yes, Hafiza Mahnoor. Please introduce yourself to me.
My name is Hafiza Mahalanisha, and I was a student. Recently, I have graduated from MPhil Chemistry from Kinnard College for Women overall. And nowadays, I'm planning to do IELTS. So I'm focusing on this task right now.
Mahnoor, do you like to have flowers in your home?
Yes, I like flowers in my surroundings. And also, I have a beautiful flowers in my room, like cactus and these kind of plants that reside in indoor plants.
Where would you go to buy flowers if you have to gift someone?
Um, well, actually, in my location, there is a shop or like gift shop, and if I want to gift someone, then definitely I will go to that shop and bring some beautiful flowers.
On what occasions would you give someone flowers?
It's like if someone has a birthday, or maybe if someone will just succeed in some test, or maybe in some exams. So um I think I will be there for cheer up and for
Okay, Manu, in how many different ways flowers are being used in your country?
we transfer the gift, like bouquet or flowers, uh, in birthday occasions, or in celebrations, or in exciting news. So these kind of occasions we transfer or exchange flowers.
Manu, I'm going to give you a cue card. You will be having 1 minute to think about it, and if you need to prepare some notes, you can. And then for at least 2 minutes, you will be speaking about it. This is the topic, and these are the points that you should cover in speaking. Your 1 minute starts now.
Yes. In my free time, I do illustrations, and recently I have done my course in this specific task. So I think it was my dream in my childhood to do some beautiful arts, or like doing making cartoonist like these things. So in COVID time, I got so much time, and at that time I learned a lot of illustrations. And after that, I have download Illustrator for the that specific thing. And in my free time, whenever I have free, I've got free time, then I will do beautiful arts or beautiful flowers, beautiful sceneries. Um, this
Which area is your favorite when you draw illustration? Which area is your favorite?
like sceneries,
Natural beauty.
yes, beautiful flowers, and also girls' pictures. I also done my portrait as well, and I have done this in my tab. Uh, it's actually a specific tab for my illustration as well, and
So, do you publicize this at
yeah,
as well?
I have an Instagram account for this for my art. It's a and I have also got many followers on this page, and I have done this task because it feels like it gives me pleasure, and also it gives me satisfaction, and I feel very happy when I drew some things, because it feels like that it was my dream, and right now I'm fulfilled.
You are drawing your dream actually and making it happen.
Yes, and like now I'm fulfilling my dreams, so it gives me so much happiness, and I like some friends also uh, told me, "Oh, you have to make our portrait," but due to my studies, I don't have a time. So whenever I got time, I will look after this, and but in these days, I also don't have a time because I spend so many times for my um, tasks and cards. So if I have got time, then definitely I will do some illustrations.
So, would you like to adopt it on professional basis?
Uh, I wish to, but my mother is not welcome me on this task.
Why is it so?
She is saying you have to focus on your studies because it's like two different things, like arts and science. Because my subject was actually is science,
Not
biochemistry.
had.
So she is saying you will lose interest in your subject.
Okay. So, do you love science equally
Yes, if,
as you have interest in arts? So do you love science equally?
yes, I love if because I think that uh, I have learned uh, from school all the subjects in science, and if I think that I will go in different subject, then I think that I will definitely lose some interest in other subjects because I'm used to do it, used to know the science topics, and I will don't understand their topics as well because it's just like a dream for me, not for some specific job you have to. I mean, I
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Manu.